Hey there, it's Damon the Drone Boss. Let me tell you, if you've ever dreamed of soaring through the skies like a bird while capturing breathtaking footage, then you're in the right place because the drone revolution is here and it's time for you to join the ranks of aerial adventurers. Now, look, when it comes to choosing the best drones for beginners, and no, I'm not talking about those cheap $19 impossible to fly drones that you get on Amazon. Let's look at real drones that are easy to fly, reliable, and are gonna last. An investment. So what I'll be zeroing in on are 4 essential parameters. 1 is ease of use, 2 is camera quality, 3 is flight time, and 4 is safety features. Now, these are key factors that make flying enjoyable and accessible for newcomers while still delivering impressive performance. It's all about getting into the air without all the hassle. This isn't just about flying, it's about capturing stunning shots and having a blast doing it. So let's kick things off with the DJI Neo. If you're all about capturing fun selfies and action-packed moments, this little compact drone is the perfect sidekick for you. Now, it's packed with AI features like Follow Me. It allows the drone to track your movements, which is ideal for outdoor adventures and dynamic shots. What's super cool about the Neo is you can fly it just using the built-in AI. No controller, phone, or anything necessary. Or if you want a little more manual control, you can fly it right from your smartphone, making this incredibly user-friendly for new pilots. And if you want even more precise control than that, you can upgrade to an RC controller or even their joystick motion controller and fly with FPV goggles. This gives you more control options than any other DJI drone in their line. The DJI Neo shoots high definition video, and best of all, it's tough as a boot. It's got an exoskeleton with prop guards, and that just means it's super durable. And it's incredibly lightweight at just 135 grams, less than 5 ounces. It boasts flight time of 25 minutes, and that allows you to really get some epic flights without all the worry and stress and all the complex setup, all fitting snugly in your pocket or your bag for your next exciting aerial adventures. Okay, next up is the DJI Mini4 Pro. This little powerhouse is the premium choice for beginners looking to capture professional quality content without all the headaches or the cost. It's got a stunning 1/1.3 inch sensor. It shoots 4K at 60 frames a second, and it has a 10 bitrate HDR video. So bottom line, this means this is the best video quality DJI has ever produced on a mini platform. You'll also enjoy incredible 48 megapixel stills that literally make your images pop like you've never seen before. Now, this little Mini4 Pro comes stacked with advanced omnidirectional object avoidance features. It also has APAS, which is the Advanced Pilot Assistance System, meaning you can zip through tight spaces without even worrying about it. Let the AI do all the work for you. It's got tons of other smart features like focus track, active track, quick shots, and the absolutely epic master shots. So with this little bad boy, capturing breathtaking footage like a seasoned pro has never been easier. It's got an impressive flight time of 34 minutes, and it has a maximum transmission range of over 7 miles using DJI's OcuSync 4.0. So you can explore far and wide and without the worry of any interference or losing connection or anything like that. And it's incredibly light. It weighs 249 grams, less than 8 ounces. So you don't even have to worry about registering it with the FAA, as long as you're flying recreationally. And let's not forget about the DJI Flip Drone. This innovative little compact drone is your ultimate travel companion. It's equipped with advanced AI features, much like the Neo. It's got intelligent tracking, and when you're using the controller, you can access quick shots and more intelligent flight modes. So what's fantastic about the Flip is the versatility. Like the Neo, you can let the AI handle all the flying, or you can take manual control and use the DJI app on your smartphone and literally fly it with your phone. Or the preferred method is using the included RC controller so you can access all of the AI and intelligent flight mode. Now, this little drone records in stunning 4K video, and its robust design makes it really durable for adventurous outings, and it only weighs 150 grams. And it features protective prop guards. It ensures safe flights without compromising the quality or the performance. And even with the prop guards, this has an impressive flight time of 30 minutes. You'll be ready for some thrilling adventures while conveniently packed away in your backpack or easily stowing away in your pocket, as long as your pocket's big enough. Okay, now let's break down why these drones stand out one more time for clarity. So the DJI Neo is your fun-focused compact drone that you can fly without a controller or your phone, or you can use your phone for more control. Its unique Follow Me feature is perfect for capturing your adventures without any hassle or pre-setup. And remember, the RC controller or the joystick controller, they're both sold separately for those who want a more hands-on flying experience. Now this thing shoots 1080p and boasts a solid 25-minute flight time. And this is by far the toughest of the three of these drones. Okay, next up is the DJI Mini4 Pro. And this is the ultimate choice for those who want professional grade quality without any of the complexities. Now this again has that powerful 1/1.3 inch sensor, shoots 4K at 60 frames a second, and provides advanced omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and has a flight time of 34 minutes. This is ideal for elevating your aerial game. And then lastly, the DJI Flip, which folded up has a similar footprint to the Neo, and it has similar features. But it does have a better camera, and it does come with a controller. So if that's important to you, you don't need to buy one separately. Okay, so now that we recapped it, let's reveal the winner, okay? And the winner is the DJI Mini Pro. This is the top contender for beginners with 4K video, smart features, and stellar battery life. This drone is designed to deliver fantastic performance as you embark on your flying journey. And if and when you want to do some professional work, it's good enough to do so. Now these drones each bring something special to the table, making sure there's an option for every type of drone enthusiast out there. And it's really a matter of what you want to do with them. If you want to fly around for fun, or maybe even start a little side hustle. And hey, if you've ever considered turning your flying passion into profit, check out my 3-day immersive training on how to make real money with these incredible little machines. Just hit the link in the description and start your journey today. You've got this. And I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Until next time, you take care and fly safe.